We have a cable lawnmower row. Start with your cable down low, grab hold of the handle with your outside hand, and then step away and get a nice wide stance. Then shift your weight in towards your inside leg and reach back towards the cable, and then use that inside leg to drive out, and then pull into your row to the outside shoulder. Bring your weight back in. You'll see it's quite a powerful movement on the row, and then a slower return. The power starts in your inside foot and pushes through your hips and then into your shoulder and back.